Caleb, can you crawl to Mommy? Come here. Show Mommy how you crawl. Now that Caleb can move around, Sienna has cleaned out everything from the lower part of the kitchen so that he can't have her toys. Caleb, come here. Come here.